I've been through so much shit in my life, dog, and I can't take it. And I can see my goals right in front of my eyes, dog, and I'm gon' make it. And you can bet your $5 that I won't quit, no, not me. And I'ma keep pushing, hustling, and staying on my grind.
I gotta tell these people, yeah, I'ma go ahead and try to get it. I feel like every time, y'all know what it's called business. I ain't really, y'all know what it is, always shifting. And everybody think about it's like, what's the limits? I'm just living right here in the city limits. I got the wrong representation, so I'ma forgive him. I'm a city for the sinning life. I live right here, yeah, ain't no life. Just think about the shit, we just unify. Everybody that bust on these killer rhymes. I'ma chill to the shit, yeah, killing time. I'ma think my Lord, yeah, Jesus Christ. So I'm going here with stepping, never gotta say I'm better yet. I'm getting back and trying to get all my checks. I still work like a hard individual, but I'ma try to see myself a better picture, bros. I'ma be like what it is, I don't fuck with hoes. I just be like chilling here, now you know. I love to eat this pizza like it's Domino's. I just love to tell these niggas that I'm so cold. I'ma put my heart, yeah, put my soul. So it's also good, bitch, y'all didn't know. And never yet, I never gloat. But I'm a youngin' that wants to go all over the globe. Yeah.